Okay, so I've just sent out pre-market analysis for my team in the Trading Academy. Some other data to CPI out today, so make sure the guys are aware of that, so that they're not in any scalp size position or intraday position, because that could be absolutely catastrophic. Then we've also got the private Telegram group. So I think about maybe 10 months ago I started the private Telegram groups, so you know, we put some stats in there also, and this is it. This is the start of the day now. Always have Bloomberg on. I mean, it doesn't influence what I do, but I do like to have it in the background just so I don't miss any potential news that's going to come out. So sent out the relevant information as I do every single morning, and now we start getting ready. You know, I'll be going for a run soon, and then we'll crack on with the day. What's really important, guys, is to have a structured day. That's really, really important, to have some kind of structure in your life, to have some kind of routine. It's really, really important. Okay, so getting ready to go for my morning run. You know, I've been training 5 days a week for years now. Even when I was working a full-time job, guys, I was still training 5 days a week. So anybody that says that they don't have the time to train, you're talking BS, right? Because it only takes half an hour, 45 minutes. You don't have to train for 2 hours, right? You don't have to train for 2 hours, but it's extremely important to get some kind of exercise in every single day. So I'm still doing it, you know, 51 years old this year, I'm still training. It's a huge part of my life. It means that, you know, I don't mind having the McDonald's every now and again, or the pizza, right? You can get to do these things when you're putting that work in. It's really, really important. Okay, so here we go. I like to train in the morning, actually. I like to train in the morning because I like to get it out of the way, and then it's done and dusted. Then I can just relax and do whatever I want for the rest of the day. So here we go. The runs are getting harder, you know, I'm getting older, but I'm still doing it, right? I'm still doing it. That's the important thing, is that you continue to put the work in and just keep moving forward. Okay, here we go. 10K run. It's gonna be another hard one. Legs are a little bit sore, but I keep doing it, you know. So far this morning, it's been a very good morning in my private Telegram group. So in the intraday, we took 2 trades so far. So we've taken 43 points on the Dow, so absolutely fantastic, and 2.6 on the FTSE. So this is what I do, guys. Have some music on, sometimes I'll even watch a Netflix movie. And I've got price alerts set up, so you know, I don't even have to be at the screen. You know, I know exactly where I'm looking to take my entries based on my approach and my strategy. So I literally just set up price alerts. I can go and prepare some food like I did there a while ago, and do whatever. There's some noise in the background. So this apartment block it's only a year old, so they're still building a lot. So sometimes it's difficult for me to do the videos because there's a lot of noise. So you can hear that in the background. But this is what I do now for basically the majority of the day, in between, you know, cooking some food or doing my laundry or going to get some groceries. You know, I basically sit here, usually with my feet up, listening to music and just sway for my setups. I mean, it's not it's nothing fancy, you know. It's nothing fancy, you know. I'm not out at lunch every single day the way I used to. You know, that's kind of unsustainable. So, I mean, this is pretty much it now, to be perfectly honest with you. You know, for the rest of the day, I'm sitting here, got my price alerts on. You know, I'll make some food, have some lunch, listen to some music, whatever. But it still beats the hell out of you know, working for somebody else. You know, tomorrow morning I'll get up and do the exact same again. But it's fantastic. I mean, this is winter, so I mean, what is the temperature right now? It's 17 degrees at the moment. You can see that there, 17 degrees. I mean, 17 degrees. If that can focus in, we can't get it to focus in. 17 degrees in winter. So in the summer, I'll work from the beach sometimes, and sometimes I'll work from, you know, one of my favorite hotels. But it has to be sustainable, guys. So going out every day for lunch is unsustainable. So, you know, it's nothing glamorous. This is it. I'm sitting here listening to music, having food, etc. And this is my day. But you know, it's a great life. That is pretty much a day of my life in winter in Malta as a full-time retail trader. I like to eat early these days, and then I try and fast for about 12 hours. So I probably will have something about 6, and then I won't eat until, you know, 6:30 the next morning. As I said before, you know, it's nothing glamorous. You know, when I first came to this island, you know, for the first number of months, I was going out for lunch, you know, every single day. It's not healthy. So I really do try and stay in the apartment during the day as much as possible, Monday to Friday. I try and cook food and not getting takeaways, because it is really unsustainable. And when you have the money to do these things, you know, certainly at the start you do it all the time. You know, you're getting the takeaways all the time because it's not, you don't have to watch your money. Same with the restaurants. So I really try and eat healthy during the week, because on the weekend, guys, I'm hardly in the apartment at the weekend. I'm out for lunch, dinners. You know, in the summer it's the beach on, you know, a Saturday and a Sunday. So during the week I really try and maintain my discipline. It's pretty much what it is, guys. You know, it's as I said, it's nothing glamorous, and this is pretty much a day in my life, Monday to Friday. You know, it's so important to have that structure. It's so important to have that routine. I'm up at, well, my alarm goes off at 6:30 every single morning. You know, even at the weekends, I still get up. You know, I still trade with the guys. You know, I still, you know, take charge, mentoring my team. It's important. You know, I still like doing these videos because, again, it keeps me busy. You know, this will keep me busy on and off all day to do this. This is pretty much a day in my life, winter in Malta. I'm saying winter, it's 17 degrees today. I'm sitting here in shorts and sliders, and it's winter. But this is it, you know, it's an amazing life. You know, it's absolutely an amazing life. You know, I'll wake up tomorrow morning and I know exactly what I'll be doing. The exact same as what I've done yesterday, the same as most people. But I love it, you know. And see, tomorrow morning if I get up and I decide, do you know what, I need to change of scenery, I'll go and get myself dressed up and I'll go to one of my favourite hotels and I'll spend maybe 5 or 6 hours there. I'll have lunch there. I try not to do it too often, but I definitely do it a couple of times a month, just a little bit of a change of scenery. But it's all about discipline, guys, and it's all about making sure that you have a routine, because when you work for yourself and you own your own company and you're the boss, you can do whatever you want. And if you're not disciplined and take control, you know, sometimes it cannot be such a good thing. So it's important to keep that composure, that discipline. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Nothing glamorous. All the glamour happens at the weekend, but I'm not putting that on YouTube, that's for sure. See you guys very soon for another video. If you want to join this Sambora Academy, you can email me eduardosambora@yahoo.com. It's a fantastic package, guys. You've got the trading community, you've got the intraday private Telegram group, and you've also got the swing private Telegram group where you copy my trades. Okay, and as I said before, it's the price of a takeaway for the month. You know, you'll probably spend more on takeaways in a month than what you will for the Sambora Academy. See you guys again very soon.